All right, today is Wednesday, November 18th in the market. The market is about 15 minutes till close, and we're rolling over right now. As I thought, we're getting toppy, minus 250, S&P minus 28, Nasdaq minus 56. The VIX came up a little bit, 23.59, 3.87%. Gold's down, 15.75. Crude's 41.91. Let's take a look first. The SPY. This is what I saw, the wedge sort of moved to. This should be here. This is a rising wedge. Had it here, had it here. This was at a place, this candle, had it here. When you're up high like this, you know, you're going to stay up or go sideways, and then we're going back down right here. So, you know, this looks like we're topping out, another pullback. 4 hour, we're rolling over. So if we come back to full length again, I look for about 330. This trend line, I mean, somewhere around there, maybe we'll see. 2 hours rolling. There's the 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we're rolling over. That's on the SPY. Nasdaq. This is the level right here from September. See this? Looks like it a triangle, ascending triangle. Each time, you know, we're trying to break that. This could come back too. See Dow Jones here. I made this connection. I mean, it's the same type. Doesn't have to be exact. 4 hours rolling, 2 hour, exceeded hour, and 30 minutes. See this go down. So we're getting very, you know, we're overbought here. Now we're trying to, not trying to, but we are, looks like we're going to go over here. And this looks like the start of it. We have a lot of states closing again for over a month. Cases are rising. Even though there's a vaccine, but you got to distribute it to people, they got to take it. It's not that simple. But this could put a little effect on the economy. And so this is coming back. And I expect this to go below there. There's a VIX at 22. Yeah, this is very oversold, even for the VIX. This will probably pop up. There's the 4 hour. Looks like it held 22. Yeah, I'm not sure how high this can go. This come out to be 25, maybe even 27. There's UVXY. This is another one. It's sort of like double bottomed here. This could spike up. You could have, you know, 14, 16. If really things get bad, maybe 18. There's a trend line here. Total trend line here. So that's on that. Some of the other plays, yeah, there's defend. There's the cross. Yeah, not a middle cross, a low cross. That's a change of direction. And we're coming down now. And yeah, who knows where this will stop. It doesn't have to come all the way back to here on your daily, but if this gets under 20 again, it'll be goodbye. That was the run it was on. Excuse me. Here's Nail. Nail's still holding in pretty good. Din, try to get that 65 being stopped. See UDAO made this trend line. Anytime stocks reach these like peaks, at the peak, it's definitely a trend line here. So this is way up here, 93. You know, we're in this topsy-turvy here, just like W pattern here, here. You know, where's this going to fall back to? You know, it's hard to say exactly, but we'll watch all that. There's TNA. Look, draw your line right here. And there it is. This is going to cross down. This is way overbought. Here's SPAS. This is high up. Look at this run from June. That's the highest peak. Yeah, there's little moves here, but this is a tremendous move. I think we come back now, and then we rally. We'll come back for a while and rally into Christmas. I think that's how this will work out. We'll see. That's another plays I was looking at. PEIX. See this huge, move down right here. You have like a triangle forming. Yeah, this isn't really doing nothing right now. Still oversold. This could possibly bounce. Haynes Brands, this has the gap to fill. Struggling with the market today, but still, to the upside. Good upside risk here. All right, let's look at the top gainers. DNK again, back-to-back days. Look at this washout. This went all the way down to 150, and the volume last few days, 162 million today. Flowed about 33 million. How you're playing this again? This is pre-market. 325. Came back to 3, a little under 3. Yeah, give it a little range here. That was the range, 325. Again, this exploded up right at the open to 350. Now this one's tough. You're closer to 350 line, but this came all the way back. See that wick? To 325. And on the 3-minute, see the move up. And then now you're going to play this line. That's tough because you're probably playing closer to this line. So sometimes it's not going to be exact how you're playing it. That's a tougher move here. It's very tough. And then once it's up here, I'm not going to play it. So pre-market, I mean, you could have played it probably at 3. Definitely a tougher move. Oh, God, I'm dying here. All right, KZIA. Therapeutics. Yeah, this had to move the washout from yesterday. Came all the way down. Found 11. Then exploded up to near 14. And then look at this, ascending triangle. And then dips. It's finally fading a little bit now. This is not a bad long. And if you're going to take your shot, let me see here. Let's draw this line here. 11. 1350. So you could probably just 11 line, and then as soon as this little U-shaped 1150 line is not bad, because you have a little wraparound happening on your stochastics, or not, excuse me, 1320 EMA. And then let me see the 10-minute. Yeah, 10-minute. Look at this, rising right there is nice. 1150. So it's not a bad long. HT, this is tougher, chopped, and we're not. We'll fade it. SCKT, Socket Mobile. Went very high up here pre-market and sort of chopped around this 280 to 3. Not good volume at all. And yeah, had a little shooting wick here. FCell was the big winner. If you get a chart like this, if you're buying here, you don't know what's going to do that exactly, but that's it's the part of the chart you want. If you can get in here, you don't have to sell until this thing, finally comes down here or here maybe. So over 425, 550, and then 575. Oh, excuse me. So here's the line here at 425. See this? As soon as you start your 13 over 20, and then it goes and we go up. In here, this is a really great long. This is momentum. It's pure momentum. And like, where do you get in? If you're here, you're good in middle. Once you start getting, it's really the bottom and top of your screen, however you have it laid out. If you're up here and it ran from here, it's not a good idea. You're somewhere in the middle here. This is my screen. It's different. So the 10-minute is pretty good here. So you have this flat over 425. See this little hammer for it, and then you're like, okay, we're coming up. See, once you have that support here, at 1320 MA, and there's the green, this rode up strong. So So, I mean, that's what you want. And that's the thing. Are you chasing? Well, you're going to be chasing at some point. If you're getting in here, I mean, it's one sideways, so you're not chasing yet. Start getting a little higher, higher. See, on this is 4, and this went to 475. Okay. Yeah, this went to 425. Yeah, for me, this is my screen here. So anything in the middle here, 5, 4 to 575. So you see this one, I say about here, a little bit here. So 4, 425, 575. This is a really good long 10-minute, and the 10-minute works even better. Cut out that noise. You see this, these nice candles right here, and you have over here, the break of 425. Or if you see this coming up here, today's open, today's close, about 412, 415. So this is a really good long. This from yesterday to this has been on fire. FSL, look at this move. PEI. This doesn't give good volume. Quick move on XXI. XXII. Here's AHC. This is the former runner. 450 all the way up to 6, and this is fading down. As we're closing, stock market's minus 311. So we're fading. Just like I thought this is another top. 357, 354, a few months ago now, 364, 362. We're at this triple top. We're back and forth. And looks like we're ready to go to the downside again. So look for the 100 days been key on the daily chart, 319, 322. You have 335. There'll be the 100 day again. I would look towards that. Maybe 340, that range. I don't think we're going to 312. That's the 200 day. So this looks like another pullback. It's classic. You can't get in at the top. You know, they're bringing it up, washing it down, up, down, up. And this is another down move because, you know, we're so high from 2018 to line. So that's where we are in that. Here's a Chico Voss. Nice little 20-cent move. Here's Candy. Lending Club. This is a dollar move. Not bad right there. See what else here. The main movers here. So DNK is a tougher move right here, pre-market. You know, faded a little bit, then it exploded with one big candle, really. So it's a tougher long today. KZIA. It's another, not the best long right here. 11. Finally found support right there at 1150. And you take your shot, it did go up. It's not the easiest of longs. FSL was your best bet today. So not the best of longs today compared to yesterday. And here's the other side. SDL, these are short the market. And we'll see how big this move is coming down now. Are we gonna we're gonna get another pullback, strong pullback like in September, October? We'll see. TZA. It's Faz. This is way oversold here. A lot of these are oversold on these ETFs. To the downside here, stocks. Let's look on the other side. Stocks will see this. We had a strong run up. This was pretty much tight until here, here, Then it had this weird 2-day down that went back up. Yeah, so it's starting to roll over too here. See the hour. This is trying to roll over. So this is still way up here too. So stocks will, if this comes back, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, we got 210, 2050, 260 line, 270. We'll see. There's DFN. This is a huge shooting star topping candle, top of a pattern. You can see this right here, and it's we're way up here, 94. It hasn't been this high since really June. That was the biggest move up. I don't know where this is going to come down. This could come back to 9, maybe. A big move, you're not sure, but just look at your stochastics level. This is a 4 hour, 1 hour, so it's coming down. This follows Boeing. There's Boeing with a huge top here. This almost is like a double top here in June. This is way up here. A lot of these stocks have run. Now look at Party City. This is a huge upward cross. And this is coming down hard. So a lot of these stocks are coming down hard. Coupon's holding up well. Remember I had this line of 35. Now, let's see right here, your stochastics were running already up high. They're running high right here. And then it can keep going higher. They can stay overbought buried on that. Looking at some other stocks here. There's Overstock. PDD, this thing's on fire. DraftKings held up well today. This is still going. See right here, the wedge. Out of the wedge, these two little candles. I mean, it's tough on a swing. They could stop you out right here. And then it start to go up. So you don't know in this. I mean, from here, we're about here. So we're very high up there. You can take profit there. You don't know what's going to do this exactly. So yeah, be careful. AFC. STC, so a big move up. Here's here, like a double bottom and rose up. Workhorse, all these coming out of the wedge, coming up. You really want here to here, so that was strong. BYND trying to come back up. All right, the market's closed. We finished down 345, really big sell-off. 42 S&P, Nasdaq -97, swap apps 23. The VIX rose 2367. So it looks like our next cycle down, because that's a big bearish candle today. Yeah, we're not getting great volume either. 48 million in volume. HYLN, this has been high up there. There's BE Energy. This is, see this crossed over? You can play that, or I mean, if the length of the move, this is crossing. So just take what the move gives you there. MO, bodies are coming back down. There's run, red. FSLY. HBI, still potential here. You know, could come up to here and come back. Eventually this will go up. It's to the long side, it's looking very good. GameStop. There's Trill. This thing's on fire. See these wedges once they come out? Yeah, a little fake here, another fake, and eventually they keep going. That's why if you're playing low to high, you don't even look at that unless it really comes below your line, which would have been 12. CLSK breaking up. PRTS. There's Valdar, not Valdar, VLDR. Ping still going down. The market didn't help it today, probably. LCA, look at this. There's the wedge. There's a cross. Low to high, 12 to 15. There you go. And even here, and came back. So it's my strategy, low to high. It does work in stochastics. You know, it depends each time how you look at it. You know, how it's not going to do the same thing every time. Same thing with LMND, lemonade. Look at this here. Bounce right up. DDLI. SAP. Sometimes these come up too. Watch your 13 EMA. They come up right to there and then faded a little bit. This is Dick's Sporting Goods. It's very oversold. This isn't working. TSCA is not working well. It's definitely just like fading. EVGN, look at this. Here and then here. I'm trying to stop people out. Still oversold though. PVPR's potential here. FBIL. There's another one right here, low to high, 225, 283. Redfin, choppy. There's Nail doing this. This looks like a cross. Yeah, this might come back to here again. Like I said, here, and then eventually go up. So what it looks like. Dell Technologies, 61, 67. That's a nice move. See here to here? Bend a little bit on that move, but you play here to here, it works. It does work. That's one of the good strategies to use on a swing trade. Yeah, today's market, not the best for longs. Only a few. I mean, you can trade a lot of stuff. It's just a matter if it's, you don't want hard trades, you want easier trades. So FSL is definitely the best. I just climbed up right here. KZIA. There's a SPY, man. This is really digging deep. So this could be the next sell-off. There it is. It looks like it. Look how we gapped up so much. So big run July, August, September, drop, move up, drop, move up. Now let's get to the big board here. Excuse me. We beat. Gotta hit the gym. So, we're 89 here. Here, here, that's a W pattern, which is double bottom. And then it should take off, but doesn't have to work that way necessarily. If we're looking for the next rollover, I say we come back again, this 330, 335 level. Here, here, 335. There's the weekly. See this, the weekly? First red candle, well, that was kind of shady too. 4 hour, yeah, we already come down. 4 hour, you have the 20. After that, we're going to go to 345. And then you see the moving averages down here. We already crossed here. See this? Pretty deep. We're negative on histogram. 2 hours getting really beat up. The 1 hour you have 352, then you have 346. Got 350 on the 30-minute. So we'll see where this goes. This is the next drop down. I believe so. That's how we're playing it now. Very choppy. If you look at this, we have a huge line from 2018. I'm expecting this to come down. I say 330, 335. We'll see how that plays out. So that's it today. I mean, some swing trades have been working. PEIX, those potential here. Haynes Brands, HBI, still has good potential long. All right, that's it. Please subscribe and like the channel. We are out for now. Peace.